takes a long time to be pushed out of your element and find that unknown that a lot of us are searching for. And water has a pretty incredible ability to just do that to you immediately. And suddenly you feel like a small person in a very big ocean.
We make an incredible origami kayak that folds up into a small carrying case, providing access to places they'd never been before. You cross over that bridge and you sigh, home. You're looking at the ocean with monoliths of rock shooting out of the water. Come over the next hill, you'll be in sections where there's no rain, but the eucalyptus trees are catching fog at such a rate that it's pouring rain on you.
There's almost a palpable change of speed of life. It's like this moment of slowing down and almost centering. The word connectedness is something we talk about a lot, of being connected with the water and connected with the outdoors.
It's never identical, never the same. It feels like it's the Earth's breath, and you can feel the chest pumping as you're sitting there. That's always given me goosebumps. When you're in the boat, you realize that, oh, the goal is being here right now.
It's a reminder of what you need and what really matters. You know what? I can be happy with just a few things.